welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to link your bank account to Affirm quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the Affirm app or website. Start by logging into your Affirm account on the app or at affirm.com. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Methods. Go to your account settings and find the Payment Methods section. Step 3. Choose to add bank account. Select the option to add a new payment method and choose bank account. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Provide your bank account number and routing number carefully. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Verify your account. Affirm may ask you to verify your account through a small test deposit or instant verification via your online banking credentials. Step 6. Confirm and save. Once verified, confirm the account and save it as your preferred payment method for your Affirm payments. Step 7. Tips. Using a linked bank account can make payments easier and help you avoid late fees. That's it. Now your bank account is linked to Affirm and ready for easy payments. Thanks for watching.